The Graces were a U.S. band in the late 1980s and early 1990s featuring Charlotte Caffey, Meredith Brooks, and Gia Ciambotti. Formed in 1987, they released their debut album Perfect View on A&M Records in 1989. Their first single, Lay Down Your Arms, hit number 56 on the Billboard Hot 100, but the album and subsequent singles flopped. In 1991 they were dropped by the record label and Brooks left the band. She was replaced by Chrissy Shefts and the group continued to play live. They were about to be re-signed when Ciambotti was offered a gig in the Bruce Springsteen band, so the group disbanded in 1992 without recording a second album. Belinda Carlisle later covered Lay Down Your Arms on her 1993 album Real. Perfect View, 1989, US number 147. Lay Down Your Arms, 1989, US number 56. Perfect View, 1989. Time Waits for No One, 1989. 50,000 Candles Burning, 1989.